welcome to this video on downloading and installing DVWA on Windows. There are few things we need to download. One is XAMPP and we need to install it, and also we do need required DVWA. Let's start with XAMPP. I'll go to first link. I will download it first one. Here it is downloading. Let it start. Download is about to complete. Yes, it is downloaded. Let's open the DVWA. GitHub. I'll go to this link. There I will go to code. Okay, you can directly download the zip. Okay, you have downloaded. We have downloaded the DVWA. Okay, now there are like two things. One is XAMPP and the one is DVWA. We'll extract this here. Extract all. Okay, I will just keep its name as DVWA. I don't want to keep it master just for simplicity. I want to extract here only. It's getting extracted. Okay, now we'll install the XAMPP first. Yep, just it's asking for question as I have antivirus and other things. I think I already have USA enabled. You can say okay, it's ignorable. I will install it with next. I will install in C XAMPP, C drive XAMPP folder. It will create. I just give next. It's getting installed. Let's wait till it get complete. Press enter. Do you want to start the control panel? Yes, I want to start right now. Now we have we have installed the XAMPP. We record these two services. One is Apache. I will start it, and another thing is like MySQL. It is off as well. I will start that one as well for the DVWA. Now I have extracted the DVWA folder here. I will take a copy of it. I will come to control panel and paste it in htdocs. There are like already some folders. You can keep those as well, or if you want you can delete those. I want to keep it here. I'll just paste the DVWA over here. Okay, now there are some configuration is needed to be done. I will come to DVWA folder, DVWA master. Okay, I don't need this folder. I need directly this thing onto DVWA just for sake of simplicity. I will select, I will cut. Yes, I will come here, I will paste directly onto here. I can delete this. If you want, you can keep this folder as well, but you need to again access DVWA slash DVWA master. Okay, I will show that in later while accessing the DVWA URL. I have copied that. I will come to configuration. This thing you need to change as well. I will change it from here. I'll just rename that. Just remove .dst part, delete it, and just save it. Yeah, I want to change it. Now I need to change some part in this as well. I will open with notepad. What exactly I need to change here is like database username and database password. The reason is because I am using the service of MySQL from XAMPP. Okay, I need to change password of this user as per MySQL. Okay, for this, if you want to check, you can check it from here as well. One is you can come to C folder. Sorry, it's over here. Yeah, you can come to C drive where you have XAMPP, and this is XAMPP, and PHP admin. Somewhere here is password. password.txt. Okay, you can see my SQL admin credentials are username is root and there is no password has used. Okay, so I will change the password here according to that. Here the name is root. Okay, and there is no password has been used. I will just remove that and I'll just save it. Now I will open the DVWA. Okay, just type localhost. We have hosted in localhost. Okay, this is the localhost slash DVWA. Okay, we need to reset DB as well. Come to this and just reset the database. Okay, you can see database created and it's completely successful. Reason is we have entered the correct credentials of MySQL into the configuration file. You can see over here this is the root and this password. Okay, now you can try to log in directly, login.php. Okay, now we'll try to log into DWA with default credentials and password. Default username is admin and default password is password. Okay, okay, we can see now you are logged in as admin. We have successfully installed DVWA.